Hey guys, what's going on? Are you looking to watch the Super Bowl coming up here February 9th? Be there, be square. Let me show you how to get the best app to watch the Super Bowl for free on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Super simple. Get out your beers, get out your nachos, get out whatever other snack you want to eat during this game. Nachos and cheese sounds so good. First thing we are going to need to do, folks, is head to the search icon and download one application. So highlight the magnifying glass there, pull down, click on search, and type in DOWN Downloader, which is an application that we can use to install apps that aren't available in the Amazon App Store. So click on Downloader, which brings us up this orange icon. Click on it, and if you don't already have it, download it. I already own it, so you may need to get it, download it, and install it. Downloader will give us the ability to do sideload and install apps, like I said, that aren't available on the App Store. Apps that'll get us to watch the Super Bowl today, on Super Bowl Sunday. So before we open it, let's hit the home button on our remote and head over to the settings icon, which is the far right there, the settings guy, and then come down to My Fire TV, as we need to change one option to enable Jailbreak Sideload, enable Downloader to sideload applications. So I have developer options listed here. If you don't, that is okay. Highlight About and click on it with your remote. And then under Fire TV Stick, use your remote, the center button there, and click the select button about 7 to 10 times. And then it'll say, congratulations, you are now a developer. This says no need, I'm already a developer, as I am in the developer options. So we can back out one. Now developer options is here for you to select. So click on developer options. We can skip the ADB debugging and highlight Install Unknown Apps. Click on that and it'll have highlighted Downloader for us. So we can just click on Downloader and turn it on, and this enables Downloader to be able to install apps outside of the App Store. Let's head back to the home screen. Now guys, I really highly suggest you get yourself a VPN, which will safeguard our online activity, which can geolocate our location to where main events or sporting events may be, which will enable us to see anything that maybe our service provider is blocking. I would highly suggest IP Vanish. IP Vanish is a premium VPN, specially made to work with applications like these. So download, get it, install it, then we can head to our home screen and let's find our applications we just downloaded. Way over here in our far right, the 3 squares plus sign, click on it and find Downloader. And while we have Downloader here highlighted, just want you to use your 3-line button on your remote, and we can push, highlight, move to the front, and this will move Downloader front and center, which will be our new App Store. So back in the home screen, we can click on Downloader now. Allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device, and then say OK. And here we can select button one more time. We're going to type in a shortcut, and this will send us to our web page with all these applications available for you to access. So we're going to type in 370178. And then we're going to hit the Go button. And this will bring up our web page, ledbytheunknown.com, in the download section. Once the 5-second redirect is completed, we can skip this part for future on and hit the 3-line button and just add the current page to favorites. And then we can save it. And then here on the left, bar, there's favorites. We can have it highlighted. Now downloads is there, and it directs us right to the website for future use. So on this website, we got how-tos, we got some demos, we got some views of the applications. So don't forget to check those out. But today we are concentrating on how to watch the Super Bowl. So I got 2 apps, 3 if you want, and they will all work great. So head on down to the section highlighted, Sports. So here we got 3 applications, the top 2, or the center one, the middle one here, which is on fire, folks. It's probably our number 1 that we're going to use. So we'll just click on it, and it'll send us to the install page. So if you just head on down, there is a little demo here for you to watch if you would like. And then here we have the install link. So just click on the file, and it'll download it and install it right to your device. So when it says, would you like to install, say install. App is installed, and we can click done. And then delete that installation file as we no longer need it. And we can back out 1. Now you can check out that other application, or further down, we can even get ESPN, DAZN, Pluto, whatnot. Well, we can try the live, click on it, and again, just head down to the install link. Say yes to install, and then hit done. And then we'll need to delete the installation file again. Then you back out and check out all the other apps. Check out the videos, guys. Enjoy. Trust me, it'll work well. Once these are downloaded, we can hit the home button, go back to the home screen, and find these applications on the 3 squares plus sign. Just click on it, and then come down, and we can highlight it and push the 3-line button again on our remote and move the app to the front. Or if you don't want it on the front, we can just move it wherever we would like, and we can do that with both applications. So we can highlight it wherever we want, and this will become our new shortcut sections. All right. Enjoy. Take care. I think I'm going for Philly this year. Peace. Now, like I said, I would definitely enable a VPN for these applications that we will be downloading. One main reason, they may use your network when you do not want it to, while the Fire Stick is asleep. So these apps, these VPN apps can run while the Fire Stick is not on, or while it's in sleep mode, or it'll disconnect the network totally, so you don't have to worry about any apps running in the background. So we can click on IP Vanish, log in with your credentials that you've used during the sign up process. You will get an email to say, please authenticate my email. So we're good to go. So turn on IP Vanish. Once you've logged in, it'll give you your IP address, your location, and a quick connect start spot. If you don't want to connect to, say, like it says New York for me, and it's probably the last place that I was connected to, down on the bottom left, there is the little map icon. You can click on it. And here I already have some favorites. So Los Angeles, because there was a recent main event in Los Angeles, which some of you may have watched. Good fights. Detroit, because it's close. United States, Canada. They're just going to give you the countries are going to give you general locations, as there's countries to choose from, and there are many cities to choose from. So if your event is not in Canada, not in the United States, somewhere else, you can go to let's go find Brazil or something if you wanted to do that. Obviously, we're here to watch the AFC and NFC championships. We'd probably want to go closer to those locations like New York, or maybe even, I don't think Kansas City's on here, but somewhere closer to Kansas City, maybe you can find. Okay. So we would select wherever you want to go, connect to your location. And now it says I'm located in the United States. And all is good. All is good. All right, guys, enjoy. Please tell a friend about this. Nothing helps out like word of mouth, okay? Take care. Peace. Happy streaming.